How to use cultural keywords in Netflix search. So, these are some numerical IDs mapped to very specific categories such as African movies, K dramas, LGBTQ plus comedies, or deep sea horror. You can find list on sites like netflixcode.com or what's on Netflix or this kind of websites. So here you can see there are some numbers or codes which lead you to the titles of the Netflix. That URL will show all the titles in the niche. For example, 3761 for African movies, 67879 for K dramas, 5977 for LGBTQ plus movies. So now what you have to do is simply open the plus or new tab on your Google web browser or any preferred web browser, then simply copy that http netflix.com/genre/browse option available there and paste it on the search address bar. Now what you have to do is simply type down the code you want to search. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.